everyone. Welcome to a special edition of Formal Fitness Friday. I'm Mike, the owner of Formal Fitness Training, and we are here today just to talk about something that I thought about in the middle of the night last night. I know, I'm weird. Woke up at like 2 o'clock and I was just thinking about stuff. I thought about what is the number one thing that holds people back when they're trying to pursue their fitness goals or their exercise goals, and a lot of times it's their legs. And something I wanted to talk about today is how to keep your legs fresh. When you are new to exercise, or if you're pushing the intensity to try and burn more calories, lose weight, things along those lines, you generally are working out with more intensity, more volume, so your legs get tired. You're gonna burn a lot of your calories from your legs and your core. Obviously, you want to work your upper body, get a pretty big calorie burn from your chest and your back, but you're going to get a lot less from your arms and your shoulders when it comes to caloric burn. So from your leg standpoint, you're talking your running, your sprinting, your stairs, your ellipticals, your biking, your leg routines. Basically any type of cardiorespiratory workout you're going to be doing is going to be involving a lot of legs. And when your legs are fatigued, you're not going to be able to do the intensity that you want to do. So today I'm just going to take you through a quick routine using a tiger tail. If you don't have one of these at home, you can do it with a rolling pin that you roll out cookies with, and then also a foam roller. If you don't have a foam roller, you can use a softball or volleyball or anything that's really hard. Probably preferably a softball because it's pretty big for what you need to do. And then I'm just going to show you a quick routine to loosen your legs. This can be done in between workouts, this can be done before workouts or after workouts as well, to increase your blood flow and help your legs feel great. So what I always like to do is I like to start with my calves. You usually want to go towards the heart, so I go on the inside of the calf. You're going to apply pressure this way, and you're going to pull up towards your knee. You're just going to spend about 2 minutes on each calf. You're just going to go on the inside of the leg, the back of the calf, the side, and even your tibialis anterior in the front of the leg. What you don't want to do is go over the bone. You want to make sure you're staying on the soft muscle tissue. It's a form of myofascial release. Something to remember is if you find something in here that's very tight, like if you find, normally right in here, I get something that's really, really tight, like a knot, and you just want to kind of continue to work around on it until you feel that knot go away. You can all go all the way down into your Achilles and the outsides of your gastrocs and your soleus. Just working through that. You want to do that for about 2 minutes. Then I extend the leg, then I do the hamstring. So I start right above the ligaments behind the knee. So you don't actually want to touch the ligaments if you can avoid it. You just want to start at the very bottom of your hamstring and pull towards your glute. And then same thing, you want to work the outsides, the middle, and the inside of those hamstrings, AB and adductor muscle groups. And again, that's going to be for about a minute or two. The longer you have, the better. This is something you can do for a very long time. Then your last one's going to be your quad. For the quad, I actually go away from the heart just because I feel like it works better, but you can go towards you. So you start at the knee and you pull up towards you, going down through that IT band, vastus lateralis. Then you work the rest of the quadricep muscles. You can pull towards you, or you can push towards the knee. I feel like I get a little bit more pressure with my hand. And then you would just, same thing, 1 minute for that side, and then you would go right over to the right side, and you would do the same type of thing. All right, so that is what you can do with the tiger tail or the cookie roller. And then a couple other ones we're gonna do is you're gonna do a quadricep roll, which is basically you're gonna hold yourself in a plank position and you're gonna drop down on it. And you're just gonna roll all the way down to your knee and then all the way back down to your hip flexor. So you're gonna do that for about 5 reps. Then you're also gonna curl your feet, point it up towards the ceiling, and then down to the hip flexor that way. And then I like to go heels together, kick them out, knees together, kick them out.
Who are you to judge someone when the day is said and done? Do you know how they're feeling?
And then my other personal favorite is the Piriformis foam roller. So you're gonna have a seat on it and you're gonna be off your hip bone, but you're gonna be on your glute. You're gonna put one leg up and over. I like to pull this knee into the chest and just roll right before you get to your lower back and then straight across that glute. And again, you play with that angle. You can lean forward, you can really lean back, drop to the elbow if that's more comfortable. But you just wanna work through that piriformis muscle. And then you would do both sides, and you want to do every foam rolling movement for 30 seconds to 2 minutes on each muscle group. This you can do 2-3 times a week, keep your legs fresh, and help you progress towards your goals. I hope everyone's doing well during the stay-at-home orders, and hope to see you soon.